Hello, today we will guide you through how to get an invoice on Ryanair. To begin, open your browser and go to the official Ryanair website. Using the official site helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures the invoice you download is valid for expenses or reimbursement. If you see a region selector, pick the country that matches your booking so prices and language display correctly. A modern browser and a stable connection will make the process smoother, especially when downloading a PDF. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner of the screen for the My Bookings area. Depending on your device, it may appear as My Bookings or My Trips. On mobile, it can be inside the main menu icon at the top. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little or expand the header. It's usually beside options like Check-in and Help. Click My Bookings to open your booking management area. At this point, the site may prompt you to sign in or retrieve your trip using your booking details. Keep your reservation information handy so you can quickly access your flight. Only enter details directly on the Ryanair site and avoid sharing sensitive information anywhere else. After your booking appears, select the relevant trip to view the options available for that reservation. Here is where you can get the invoice for your booking. Look for an option labeled Invoice, Receipt, or Tax Invoice. In many cases, you'll see a button to view, download, or request the invoice. Choose the download option to save a PDF to your device. Before you finalize, quickly review the traveler and booking details shown on the invoice preview so the document matches what you need for accounting or reimbursement. If you don't immediately see an invoice option, expand the booking details by clicking the arrow or More Details link. Switching from mobile to desktop view can also reveal additional actions. Make sure your browser allows pop-ups or file downloads, as invoices usually generate as a PDF. If the site indicates that the invoice will be sent by email, watch your inbox and spam folder for a message from Ryanair, and then save the attached file. That's it. By going to the official Ryanair website, opening My Bookings, clicking into your trip, and using the invoice option there, you can quickly obtain a clean, printable PDF for your records. If you still need help, the Help or Support section on the Ryanair site offers the latest guidance for your route and region. Thanks for following along, and safe travels.